Oh, finally. Okay. Yeah. All right.
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazardous Warning Alarm System in cooperation with people on the Wednesday. Tests of this alarm system are conducted.
Oh, another 100s went off.
At 7 p.m.
This is worse than this morning.
There was a severe weather threat. The tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas.
You didn't go off. How?
WXL57 Des Moines, WXL94 in Broward County, WXK84 at Fort Dodge, KXI98 at Marshalltown, KXI62 at Montezuma, WXL.
You didn't go off. You didn't go off. You didn't go off. You went off. You went off. Actually, this went off for the first time on Channel 4. Wow. That's probably you didn't go off. No conception.
WNG666 at Iowa Falls, WNG668 at Denison, WNG58 at Richmond, KJ163 at Forest City.
Wow. 6 hour ultimate team on my 2750. Why? 6 hour ultimate team on my 250. No.
Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Now return to regular programming. We now return to regular programming. These are the 7 p.m.
What the hell?
of the Des Moines area.
Okay. So, of course, 90100s went off. VC135 went off. You didn't go off. You went off. You went off. The Channel 4 monitor actually went off for the first time, actually. So, yeah, good job on you. You went off. You're off. You're off. This one went off, but look at this. This 250. What if we goddamn 6 hour required